As the hot summer weather arrives, it is essential to prioritize the maintenance of your car's air conditioning system to guarantee a comfortable journey. Here are 7 valuable tips for achieving maximum air conditioning performance. 1. Perform weekly air conditioning system maintenance in defrost mode. To maintain optimal performance, operate your air conditioning system weekly for 10 minutes in defrost mode on the coolest setting and at maximum fan speed. This regular maintenance helps maintain gas pressure, promotes efficient compressor operation, eliminates moisture, and prevents mildew growth. This practice is also beneficial during winter, as it removes humidity and aids in windshield defogging. Clean or change the air filter. The decrease in temperature results in a corresponding drop in tire pressure. The magnitude of this drop, which can range from 1 to 2 psi for every 10-degree temperature decrease, is influenced by the vehicle and tire type. Driving with low tire pressure poses significant safety risks and can lead to premature wear. Consequently, the muffler man suggests carrying a tire pressure gauge to ensure regular checks and prompt replenishment of pressure as needed. Avoid pre-cooling your vehicle. The air conditioning system operates at maximum efficiency when the vehicle is in motion, hence, pre-cooling is not recommended. On extremely hot days, set the fan to high speed once you begin driving and open the rear windows for 10 to 20 seconds to remove the hot air. Set air conditioning to the coldest setting. Your car's air conditioning system operates most efficiently when set to the lowest temperature, with the fan adjusted for comfort. Most air conditioning systems cool the air to 3 to 4 degrees Celsius. A higher temperature forces the system to reheat the air, resulting in increased fuel consumption. Keep your car clean. Dirt and bacteria can negatively impact your car's air conditioning system. Keep dirt and debris at bay by cleaning, dusting, and vacuuming regularly. Don't use AC on recirculate if you have backseat passengers. The recirculation mode pulls air from the front of the vehicle and recools it. It works well for passengers in the front of your vehicle, but can leave air stale and hot in the back. Get a full AC service at the mufflerman. The best way to keep your car's air conditioning functioning well is to get regular service at your local mufflerman location. A mufflerman professional can detect leaks or damage to your system and recommend the best course of action to keep your air conditioning running properly. And you cool all through the hot summer. Stay cool this summer. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.